Galing, 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 galing. Galing.
Hindi siya makalabas.
I know, right?
Dapat ang panghuli.
Birthday to you. Wait! Isa naman yung happy birthday.
Start na.
Sige. Hi, Si. Greetings on your special day. May you have many more happy returns of this day and enjoy your big day. Relax ka lang dyan. Huwag ka magpa-stress. At enjoy na lang. Happy 71st birthday. Okay?
Ito na, nagpa-video na ako kay Ryan. Di ba kilala na si Ryan yung birthday niya, kasama natin sa pag-ano doon sa ante ko. Oo. Ito na picture ko ha. Mga niya, yung kay Manong papadala naman daw niya. Pag ano, yan. Papadala ko na sila. Tapos pakisabi kay Boise, happy birthday sa February 12, 71st birthday niya. Ingat Boise, ingat sa mga kinakain ha. Kahit sabi mo wala kang problema sa high blood, mabuti na yung nag-iingat ka. Pati mga alat, mga mantika, tsaka pinaka the best yung mag-ano ka na stress, yung kausandong pa-stress dyan. At nagkakaedad na tayo. Oo. O sige, happy birthday na lang, enjoy. Sige, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Boise. Enjoy your day at kahit na pakonti ang buhok mo, at least padami na padami ang edad mo. Have a wonderful day and keep on laughing. God bless.
Hello pare, happy birthday. May you have many more years to celebrate. How I wish I could be there pare. I mean, I told you I'm coming to your birthday but hindi mo naman ako kinukumbida. Anyway, pare, happy birthday. I'll see you. Bye-bye.
Yan, okay. Ready, go! Happy birthday, Boise!
Boise, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Boise! Happy birthday, Boise! Pasensya na, hindi kami makakapunta. Ako may kasamang pulis palagi.
Okay na. O sige, padala ko na to.
Thank you for being the father we never knew we needed. Thank you for being our friend and our mentor. Thank you for everything.